G'day and welcome to the channel. Here you are going to find everything when it comes to moving proficiently, feeling good, lifestyle change, and of course with our podcasts. If you head over to the playlist section, you are going to find everything you're looking for, from how to perform exercises correctly, common mistakes and how to fix them, finding our podcasts and their protocols, stretching and mobility routines, and finally our free workout section. All of this is interweaving and it works in conjunction with our training app that we use to provide programs to our online clients. If you'd like to see more about these programs, please head on over to our website. You'll be able to find the link for that in YouTube. If you've got any questions or you've got specific videos you would love for us to post about, please send it through. We're always happy to give what the viewers are looking for when it comes to content. Thanks so much. Have a look around and I'd love to hear your feedback. Until then, have a great time.